Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious strawberry lemonade. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and refreshing drink, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, we're going to begin by making our simple syrup. We're going to grab a small saucepan. We're going to set it at medium-high heat. And to that we're going to add 3 cups of water and 3 cups of sugar. And now we're just going to dissolve the sugar. Okay, so after a few minutes, our sugar should have dissolved. So at this point, we're just going to turn it off and we're going to allow it to cool down completely before we move forward. Okay, and once the simple syrup has cooled down, now we are ready to make our delicious strawberry lemonade. Okay, in a blender cup, we're going to add 2 pounds of strawberry. Just make sure that you clean them real good, and I cut them in half. Okay, we're going to add our simple syrup. And now we're just going to blend everything together until everything is nice and smooth. Okay, so once we have our strawberry mixture all nice and smooth, now we are ready to transfer into our jar. Okay, so to my pitcher, I added a little bit of ice. So now we're going to transfer our strawberry mixture. Okay, so we're going to add 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 4 cups of water. Okay, so mix everything. Okay, and at this point you can try it for sugar to see if you want to add any more, but for me this is honestly perfect. So now we're ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So of course, just fill up your cup with a lot of ice, and I'm just garnished it with the strawberry and a lemon, and just like that, we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's perfect for summer, so cheers and enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. The best. It's so easy to make. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious strawberry lemonade. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.